Brothers Bistro. Recipes so simple, even a dude can make it. Hi, I'm Skinny Kenny.
And I'm Musclehead Kev. And we're the Klar Brothers. Welcome to Brothers Bistro. What do we got going tonight, brother?
Well, buddy, tonight we've got something super simple.
Okay, that sounds like it's right down our alley.
You're never going to believe it. Only 3 ingredients.
Wow, that sounds pretty cool. I like that.
But before we get to this, have you checked out our Facebook page?
Man, I think we've got 850 followers, likers, whatever they call that.
Yeah.
And how about our YouTube page, buddy?
YouTube channel is going pretty good. It's going a little slower because it's a little harder. We don't have the built-in bait because you and I are popular on Facebook. But it's growing. We got 135 subscribers.
Wait. We said we were going to do something special when we got to 100.
We are. We're going to unveil that at the end of this episode. So you got to stay tuned until the very end.
Yep.
And we're going to show you what we're
You're going to love it.
Yeah. So tonight we're making cloud bread.
What cloud? What the heck is cloud bread?
Cloud bread is a easy, low carb alternative to bread.
All right, so it's a low carb bread alternative, and it's pretty simple to make. So
it can be a little tricky. So this could go badly.
Okay.
But we're going to have a little race, you and me, so we're going to figure this out together.
Well, I just know I'm going to win.
Yeah, but you don't even know what the race is.
I know. I don't even know what it is, but it doesn't matter. I'm going to win anyway. So let's get these ingredients out here, and let's walk through this thing for you people.
Let's do it.
All right, buddy.
Okay, we're back.
That doesn't look too complicated.
See
it
how
looks pretty
simple it is? 3 ingredients.
Wow, there's not much here. Are you guys looking at this? Look at just a couple of eggs.
3 eggs to be exact.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
And then what's this?
That is unflavored, low-fat Greek yogurt.
Okay, unflavored.
So we got
low-fat.
the 2% variety because we're trying to keep it relatively healthy. And then
right.
we got a little baking soda.
Wow,
baking
that's
powder,
just-
not soda. That's like the cucumber thing that you.
Yeah.
Baking powder, and it's only a 1/4 teaspoon, so a tiny bit does a lot of work.
All right.
And
so okay, and then we're gonna mix all this stuff together. Or what
Well,
are
we're
we
not
gonna
going to mix it together yet.
Okay.
First thing we're going to do is I'm going to show you my Brother Bistro hot tip. You don't even know it yet.
I know. What do
I've
you
been
got?
keeping it a secret from you all this time. So we're going to crack these eggs. So take one of your eggs.
All right.
Crack that bad boy.
I think I can do that.
Try not to get any shells in there. See if you can get the whole yolk. Like
Okay,
that.
I got it.
Okay, here's my shells.
All right, we'll get rid of that.
Okay, now here's the hot trick. You ready?
Yeah,
Because
I'm
some
ready.
people separate the egg whites and the egg yolks, and they do this thing back and forth.
Because we got to blend up these whites.
We got to blend up the whites separate from the yolks.
Oh.
Because they don't quite rise the same way
Okay,
if we do them
okay.
together. So we're going to separate the egg yolk from the egg whites.
How are you going to get the yolk out?
Using these plastic
spoon?
bottles.
We're going to use
What? We're going to use these plastic bottles. So
All right.
How
does this work?
Any plastic bottle will do. I got a little bit more robust one than you. I gave you the crappy one.
Wow! Imagine that. He
Yeah.
gave me the worst implement.
So take the cap off.
All right.
And you squeeze a little bit of the air out.
Okay.
And then you put it down next to the yolk.
Okay.
And you let it rip.
Hey! Oh! I almost lost mine. It almost went right
You gotta
back
get
in.
it into there.
All right, it got it in there.
Woo! Okay, so
Wow.
that was kind of fun. What are you doing? That's your implement. You got to do 2 more.
That's true. That's true. Okay.
So while we're waiting for the oven to preheat, you're going to preheat the oven, and we're going to crack the last of these 2 eggs.
Sounds good.
We're going to come back, and then we're going to show you how to combine these ingredients.
All right. So I'll get the oven going, and you'll start cracking these eggs.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right. Sounds good. All right. We got it all back. We got the oven on. We got our yolks separated from our whites.
And we got
see that?
our product placements, shameless product placement. I got a Cuisinart.
Nice.
Yeah, what do you got? No telling what you got.
Hamilton Beach.
Nice. So Hamilton, if you're listening, we're looking for an endorsement.
Cuisinart. We're all over it.
And even better, we got that thing from Hamilton Beach in a day and a half from guess who? Amazon, baby.
Jeff Bezos.
Yeah, we're looking for an endorsement deal.
Okay.
Okay.
So what are we doing here?
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna combine these ingredients, and we got them set out so that you can kind of see what's going on here because the egg whites is kind of the tricky bit.
Okay.
So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna combine the baking powder, not soda, baking powder with the egg whites. So just pour that in there.
All right, that's in there. Okay. Bring your little thing here.
All right. And then now we're gonna combine the Greek yogurt with the egg yolks that are in these smaller bowls. You can't see in them, but hopefully
Trust us.
you guys at home can see in them, and we're gonna combine those. We're gonna blend those first. So here we go.
Okay. All right. Now we're just gonna put these things on low. What are we doing?
Yeah. So we're gonna put our blenders on low.
Okay.
And we're gonna blend these up until they're thoroughly mixed. Right.
All right. So let's move this out of the way so that our studio audience can see our
you ready?
shenanigans.
There we go.
On low.
Yeah.
How could this go wrong? How do you know when it's done?
When it looks all one color.
Okay, mine's looking all one color. Can everybody see that?
Yeah.
Woo! Winner!
Wow. Okay, make sure the blades spin off whatever remaining yolk you have.
Wow. All right.
And now we're gonna have to take a second. We'll be right back, but we gotta wash these off. It's really important because if the egg yolks get on the egg whites, they won't rise and peak the way we want them to. We want to blend the egg whites so they're light and fluffy, and the egg yolks will contaminate.
So this is your out, right? When yours looks like crap, when it's done, you're gonna.
I'm gonna say you didn't wash my blender blades.
All right, so we'll be back. We're gonna rinse these off, and then we're gonna be these peeking the whites.
That's right.
Right?
That's right.
All right.
Right back.
We'll be right back.
Okay. See, that didn't take long at all.
Wow, that was like we were back like.
But this is the tricky bit.
Lickety-split. Really?
So are you paying attention? I mean, I know you had trouble with separating the egg yolk from the egg
Yeah,
white, but
totally.
this is actually a tricky bit. And I gave you the crappy Cuisinart. Here's where we're gonna. You don't have the Cuisinart. I have the Cuisinart. You have the Hamilton Beach. So now we're gonna.
There goes our product placement.
I know.
All right. So now what do we got to do? I got to take this thing.
So we're gonna blend these on high.
On high?
Make sure your blender blades
Wow.
are on high. Wait, and you might want to make sure.
That high?
I can't hear it.
Wow.
You might want to make sure that the blenders are in there before you turn them on.
Okay, let's do
Just
it.
so we don't get this done.
Are you
Now,
ready?
Wait.
How do we know when it's done?
That's what I'm going to tell you.
Okay.
So just calm down. Okay. So you want to blend these until they get like aerated and they get like frothy peaks. So when you're pulling the blades away, and you don't want to have that splint spinning when you're pulling them away, it will form a peak, like a peak in a valley, and it'll stay that way.
All right.
And until you get that, you're not ready.
All right, enough instruction. Let's do this.
All right. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, turn off. All right, lift it up. Mine's not quite peaking.
Mine, look at that. I win.
Okay,
We're back. All right.
Right.
So
now
mine
you guys-
looks, I got to say, mine looks a lot better than yours.
Mine
but
peaked up pretty good. So now we're going to combine these two together. But we don't want to over mix it. We only want to get it in there, the yolks in there, and blend it through, but not too much. So you're going to have a little liquid on the bottom. when you
Okay,
get
so I'm
this
going to
done.
take this and just kind of fold it in.
Yep, just pour it in there.
All right.
And you know what folding is, right?
No, tell me.
Okay. Folding is when you take your little stirring thing and you lift and fold. Lift and fold.
All right.
Like that, okay? You don't want to just stir it because we want to be kind of gentle with this aerated egg whites.
Okay.
So we just want to lift and fold and make sure this egg yolk is thoroughly mixed in throughout the egg whites without the egg whites going flat on us. Does that make sense?
Okay. All right, mine's looking pretty good, brother.
All
I've never done this recipe before,
No.
but it's looking pretty good.
No, you're doing great.
All right.
Mine are going to turn out better than yours, but you're going to do great.
Okay.
Okay.
You're building up the confidence in the competition.
Right. Okay. So now when you're done, you get your cookie sheet,
All right, I got it.
and you're going to take the egg whites now that have the egg yolk blended in, and you're going to make 6 equal-sized blobs on this bad boy.
1, 2,
3,
I got 3, 4.
4.
What
They
if I
shouldn't.
got
They shouldn't be touching, by the way.
5?
5.
What if I got extra?
I don't have enough. I think you stole some of mine. Do you have any more? I only got 5 blobs.
Well, you
You got a lot of liquid.
stink.
Okay. Well, Yeah, and see how the last one's pretty wet? That's what you want to avoid. All right, so I only got 4 blobs.
All right.
I only got 4 blobs. So now that's it. We stick them in the oven at 300 degrees, and we're going to let them.
How long?
About 30 minutes.
All right.
But we're going to watch them because we're looking for brown on the top. We're looking for brown, golden brown.
So I'll stick these in the oven. Or how about if I open the doors and you stick it over?
Right.
Watch these doors. These doors are really cool. Woo! Putting them right in there. 30 minutes. I'll set the timer. Wow.
Okay.
I think we're good to go, right?
We're going to see. We're going to see how good to go we are.
All right.
We'll be back in about
30 minutes.
Did you hear that?
Was that the buzzer? The bell?
Yeah. They're ready.
Well, I don't
It's
know.
chow time, baby.
They might not be. They're looking pretty good.
Come
but,
on. Come on. Now, are you going to be able to get both of those? I mean, because, there's...
Hey, come on. You're talking to a fireman. I can get both of them.
Go into the heat.
All right. Fireman's always in heat. Come on, buddy. Ooh. Ken's look a little better resin.
Wow. Turn it sideways so we can side by side. Okay. Woo! Those look good, baby.
Look at that.
The first thing we're going to do here is straighten this up for me because my anal retentive nature won't let it be crooked. Will you straighten that up for me?
Really? No, just reach out there, grab it. Go ahead, buddy.
So the first thing we want to talk about is these sill packs, right? These are silicone pads that we used instead of a bunch of oil or anything else or wax paper. And you can get these on Amazon. Are you listening, Amazon? We need an endorsement deal. We got these literally overnight, right?
Right.
But now, while these things are cooling, we're going to add a little sea salt.
Right. That's right.
So
Emerald?
So sprinkle a little. It sticks to them better when they're hot, like this. I didn't need. You gave me too much salt.
Yeah. Well, we don't want a salt lick. We just want a little bit of flavor.
So what we decided to do, because you can eat these just by themselves, you can make them a little smaller. You can make them little biscuits, and you can just have them as a snack, a low carb.
Okay, so it would be 2 of them as a snack, or
2 of them is a serving size.
Okay.
Right? But I should have gotten 6, so mine are a little oversized.
Yeah, holy cow, are they oversized?
Yeah, but we decided to make a breakfast Sammy because our buddy Bill from elementary school always says, "Make me a Sammy."
That's
so
right.
we're making you a Sammy, Bill.
Here it comes, Bill. There's one.
There's one.
There's the other.
Okay.
There's
give me a couple.
One.
Yeah. It's a little hot.
My brother doesn't want to touch the pan.
Woo!
All right, that one
got
came out a little underdone.
That's okay. That's
all
okay.
right.
Well, then we're done. We don't need any more.
Okay.
So we got 2. So the first thing you do to make a breakfast sandwich out of these bad boys is you put a little. We got turkey here.
How about if I take these out of your way?
Oh, that'd be good.
Because that way you get burned.
Yeah.
All right, good. So now we're ready.
So I got a little turkey on mine. You got
Okay,
a
let me
little
put a
turkey
little turkey on
yours.
mine. Mine's looking better, buddy.
And we got only because you butched mine. Okay, and then we take the egg, right? We got this sunny side. My brother did a nice job on this egg, sunny side up. But we're missing something.
What?
We gotta
cheese it up. All right, where's the cheese?
Okay, so we got 2 different kinds of cheese. We got a mozzarella and a Jack. Colby
Okay.
Jack.
So I think I'll take the Colby.
All right, I'll do
what
the
heck?
mozzarella.
And we put it on the top there.
Put it on the top there.
Put our
and then you
sandwich.
put your lid on that baby.
Woo!
Okay, now we're gonna come right back. We're actually cooking some veggies. We want to go with this. We're gonna come right back and we'll tell you how it tastes.
Yep. Be with right back to us.
Wow. Woo! We got some merch, baby.
Check out our merch. Do you like it backwards or do you like it frontwards? How do you like the face mask?
Okay, so we've got 100 subscribers on YouTube. We actually passed that a little while ago, but we decided to give away some free merch. So put in the comments to this video, hashtag cheese it up.
Right? Let's just like it says, look at on the clip here. Cheese it up. If you want a piece of our merch,
Kevin is literally going to give you the shirt off his back.
Yeah. But you got to wear a large because that's the size it comes in.
Yeah, and then we want you to post a picture of you wearing it.
That's right. That would be super
And you can
cool.
wear it front ways or side.
Yeah. You don't have to wear it backwards like me. I mean, this is a little small, but my brother's fits just fine.
Yeah. So,
all right, let's try it.
Okay.
Should we try a little bit?
I'm going in.
All right, let's try it.
It's not hot.
Hey, yours is dripping out yolk.
My egg is yolk. Yeah, runny.
Is that how you like it?
Yeah.
So you don't have to have your runny yolk if you like it hard yolk. But pretty yummy.
Bill, this sandwich is for you.
We're making a Sammy for you, Bill. All right?
Brothers
Brothers Bistro, out.